Hello and welcome students. In this video you are going to get all the answers of chapter 3, the foundation of the Delhi Sultanate. So let's begin with the fill in the blanks. Mahmud of Ghazni and Muhammad of Ghori were Turkish slave rulers. Second, Muhammad Ghori laid the foundation of Muslim empire in India. Third, Ghori suffered a crushing defeat in the first battle of Tarain. Number 4, the Qutub Minar was constructed in honor of the Sufi saint Qutubuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. Number 5, Razia Sultana was the first female ruler in the Muslim world. Number 6, Alauddin Khalji was the first sultan to lead an expedition against the Deccan kingdoms. Now move to the second number. Match the following. Jaipal, the ruler of the Hindu Shahi dynasty. Muhammad of Ghori, sultan of the Ghori dynasty. Delhi's first mosque, Quwwatul Islam. Fourth, dreaded Mongol invader, Genghis Khan, a general of Alauddin, Malik Kafur, Amir Khusro, Persian poet. Now true false. True false. Mahmud invaded India 17 times in 25 years. True. Mahmud's raid had a religious motive. False. To loot India's wealth only. Number 3, Prithviraj Chauhan was killed in the second battle of Tarain. True. Number 4, Alai Darwaza was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. False. During Alauddin Khalji's reign only Alai Darwaza was being built. Number 5, Iltutmish is considered the real founder of the Delhi Sultanate. True. Number 6, the Persian custom of prostrating before the king was called the Sizda. True. Now the answer in one word. Number 1, King Jaipal's son Anandapal. The temple which was the target of Mahmud's last attack, Somnath temple. Number 3, the Rajput ruler who defeated Ghori in the first battle of Tarain, Prithviraj Chauhan. Number 4, throne name of Razia, Jalalat Uddin Razia. Number 5, postal system introduced by Alauddin, Dak Chowki. Let's move to the next. Give reason. Aibak was called the Lakbaks because Lakbaks means the giver of the lakhs. Aibak was very kind and generous towards his subjects, so he was called Lakbaks. Number 2, I have Now move to the next number. The Iltutmish named his daughter Razia as his successor because his sons were incapable or were not worthy to the throne. Alauddin Khilji, why banned the socializing among the nobles? Because to prevent them from conspiring against him. The nobles ganged up against Razia Sultana because they did not like to or want to be ruled by a lady or a female ruler. Next number. Alauddin Khalji did not annex the conquered Deccan kingdoms because he knew it will be quite difficult to rule from the far away Delhi. This is the answer number 1. The causes for the frequent invasion of Mahmud. The reasons are these. These 2 reasons. Now number second answer, who was Qutbuddin Aibak and which territories is conquered in India? Qutbuddin Aibak was the governor of Muhammad Ghori. He captured Mathura, Gwalior, Malwa and other territories in India. Estimate on Muhammad Ghori. This is the answer number third. Muhammad Ghori is credited actually laying the foundation of the Delhi Sultanate. Turn the page. In the end of the 12th century, Ghori marched towards India. He fought two battles which are known as the Battle of Tarain. In first Battle of Tarain, he fought against Prithviraj and he got the defeat from Prithviraj. But in the second Battle of Tarain, which he fought in 1192 AD, he defeated Prithviraj and killed and established the empire in India. Move to the fourth number answer. Why Balban termed as the most powerful slave ruler? From this paragraph, due to his military success, Balban is considered as the most powerful leader of the slave dynasty. During Balban's rule, peace and stability and security regained in the Sultanate. Agriculture, trade and industry prospered, contributing to the economic well-being of the Sultanate. This is the answer number 5. How do we know that Jalaluddin was a weak ruler? See the answer from here. He compromised with the rebellious nobles by forgiving them for their revolts. He also tried to ward off the Mongol threat by marrying his daughter to Ulugh Khan, a Mongol leader. These actions presented Jalaluddin is a weak ruler. This is the answer number 6. What are the steps taken by the Alauddin to strengthen his kingdom? So Alauddin spent a part of his wealth collected from the conquest in South India to organize the standing army. Second point, Alauddin introduced a descriptive role of soldiers and branding of horses, Dag and Chehre, in the cavalry. Number third, he spent an efficient spy network. Number fourth, he introduced the postal system which was known as the Dak Chowki. This is the answer number 7. Why did the Queen Padmini committed suicide or Johar? Johar means the mass suicide to avoid being insulted by the Alauddin. So she committed Johar. So students, number 4, why did the Balban considered as the stronger leader or the ruler of the slave dynasty? You can write this answer also. Balban was a skillful military leader. He crushed all the revolts against him and also took effective measures to prevent Mongol attacks. His term is the most powerful because of during his tenure or the reign, agriculture, trade and industry were prospered.